You must be seeing this word literally everywhere. Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Google, almost literally everywhere. Even on the news medias, you can see these children selling this JPEG art for thousands of dollars, even for millions of dollars. And it's real. It is the future. I'm not kidding. I'm not just joking. It is the future. So what is an NFT? This video is about that. What is an NFT? How to buy an NFT, how to sell an NFT, how to create an NFT, and tips and tools to how to explore NFT projects, and even how to buy a project before the public. So yeah, let's get on with the video. So what is an NFT? So NFTs are non-fungible tokens like smart contract stored on the blockchain. So, and each token is different and have their unique characteristics. So if you see on the left screen, you can see this ape collection. So each are unique NFTs, each have their kind of rarity, you know, and the value is also based on the rarity. So if you look at this collection, you can see some of the ape have this kind of cap, some look so cool, some looks way cooler than the other ones. So those ones are way more expensive. Those are unique. Okay, it's going to be only one piece. So that's the best part of NFT. Even the value varies on that. So if there's a cool NFT, it's going to be way more expensive than the other one among that collection. And NFTs are at the moment is just JPEG selling on the market, but there are utilities. If you consider this one, the ape collection, they have their own benefits. If you buy an ape collection, if you buy an ape NFT from the collection, you get access to community benefits. So it's pretty cool. So it's more than that. So there's a lot of use cases. There's a lot of key characteristics of NFT, which I'm gonna be talking about in this video. So the main key characteristics of NFTs are the ownership. So if you buy an NFT, it has the proof. In the NFT, it's gonna be shown who it is owned by who, which address, which profile. So and also it's gonna be in your wallet. So if you scan your wallet, you can see the NFT in your wallet. And it's gonna be unique and it's gonna be rare. Every NFTs are rare. There can't be any copies. It's all unique and it's going to be transparent, like you said. Nobody can't fake it. They can't even lie that, hey bro, I have this NFT. You can't just simply lie. If you look at the NFT, you can see who it's owned by. So it is pretty transparent. And there's a lot of use cases, like digital artists can sell their art, and they can also use their art to raise money for charity and all that stuff. A lot of applications. And also luxury brands can sell their goods with NFTs to their buyers as a proof of ownership, and manufacturing companies can even tokenize their products, and institutions can even use NFTs for certifications. Like if you complete a course in an institution, they can, instead of giving a piece of paper saying you completed it, they can also give you this NFT, which nobody can fake it. It's stored on the blockchain. You can't fake it. It is literally a proof of certification stored on the blockchain that can't be hacked or faked. So it is something which is going to happen in the future very soon. And also NFTs can stop counterfeiting tickets. Like, it can be used for tickets for events, music concerts. And also another amazing part, if that NFT looks cool, people can hold it. You can, save it as a souvenir, as a collectibles, you know having, as a memory in their wallet. Is going to be that ticket they used to access that event, that music concert they wanted to go so badly. So there's a lot of possibilities for this beautiful thing called NFT. And also games, that's one amazing part. Games, like these in-game items you see, for example, like Fortnite, uh, Call of Duty, PUBG, all these games have these in-game items which you buy. But in these games, if you buy, it's just gonna be there in the game. But if you buy as an NFT, you literally own it. You literally own that in-game NFT, an in-game item. Sorry, my bad. And you can also sell it on the market if you don't wanna hold it, and if there's somebody else wanna buy it for higher prices, you can sell it on the secondary market. You can literally make money out of this. So there's a lot of potential. There's a lot of possibilities in this NFT. So some of the most popular NFT collectibles are, the very first one, which was sold for the most expensive one. As of now it's changed, but this was the very first one. It was sold for $69 million. It's by an artist called People, And then there's CryptoPunk. It's the very first NFT. It is programmed. NFT is very unique. There's thousands of them. It's all programmed smart contract stored on Ethereum blockchain. It's sold on OpenSea at the moment. And then there's a weird NFT, which is a Twitter, which is tweet by the founder of Twitter, which is the very first tweet, and he sold it as an NFT, I think, for around $200,000. And then yeah, you can see our Bored Ape Club. So if you take it as a Bored Ape Club, it has an NF. This guy has a utility. You can access there's community benefits. You can access events hosted by the Bored Ape Club community. So there's a lot of applications, and also there's a lot of influential background behind it. Background in the sense I meant is like DJ Khaled, Martin Garrix, Justin Bieber, Snoop Dogg, Eminem. There's a lot of influential celebrities holding this NFT. So yeah, let me take you to CryptoPunk's NFT page. You can see, a lot of NFT collections is all unique. Every single one of them is unique and is held by one guy. I'm not one guy. I mean, can be more than one guy. One guy can hold more than one NFT. That is what I meant. And then this is Bored Ape Club. So you can see in OpenSea they have their own friend page. They have their own page. You can see the price. This is the bid. What you see, and this is sold on Ethereum. And what you see here is something called floor price. So floor price is basically what is the recent lowest price that NFT was sold for. So that is what floor price is. Some NFTs are sold lower than the floor price to you know get sold faster. Some even buyers look for prices lower than the floor price. But if the NFT is very high demand and high popular, nobody sells it below the floor price. So that's the truth. And there's some another crazy project called Axie Infinity. It's an in-game NFT example. So you see all these creatures, these are NFTs. All are unique. You have to buy it to play the game. So there's a lot of potential even in this game. There's a in Ubisoft have invested, Binance, Samsung, these kind of giants have already invested into these in-game NFT games. So there's a lot of potential for NFT. So how to buy and sell NFT? So yeah, to buy, just like I showed you, there's open the NFT marketplaces like OpenSea, which is the one I just showed you. So if you all these NFT marketplaces like OpenSea, Rarible, Nifty Gateway, they're built on blockchains, and for buying, if you buy an NFT, if you go to the NFT storefront page, that if you go to a Bored Ape Club and you want to buy in a Bored Ape Club, let's say you want to buy now. So some NFTs might not be listed for buying. Some will be in auction, but if you want to buy it now, just click on this filter, the NFT, and you can connect your wallet, that is your MetaMask wallet. You connect your wallet and then make sure it's on Ethereum blockchain, and then you can buy using Ethereum and you pay the gas fees, and this NFT will be stored in your wallet. And how to sell an NFT? If you hold the NFT, for an example, I kind of hold an NFT, so it's a messy NFT. So I have listed the NFT, so it's just for I have listed for $10. So this is the NFT. I can cancel the NFT as well. So I can list the NFT for my price, and voila, it will be on OpenSea and anybody can buy it. So that's how you buy and sell an NFT. So yeah, that's and things some tips to know before investing in NFT. So when you see an NFT, you have to investigate the project. You have to check out their social media activities, like their Twitter page, their the community, how active they are. You join the community, you see how active they are, like they're talking to each other, they're interactive, whether they have this good moral support for the benefits for this community. And you have to investigate their team as well. Go through all these creators profile. If they have dogs, go to the profile, check out their previous works and all that stuff. Investigate properly. Don't jump into red pulls and fake volumes. So fake volumes, like some people can list their NFTs, and the same guy can buy that NFT using a different wallet for a very good price, and just make a pump in that volume. So don't fall for that. And don't FOMO in the sense, like when NFT is going to be launching, uh, you want to get in first. Of course you want to get in first, expecting to get that 10x or 100x. But there's going to be a lot of people who want to get that first. So there's going to be how high traffic on that network, and you might have to pay way higher gas fees. So another possibility is to chill out, and chill out and wait, buy it at the secondary market. And another possibility is getting whitelisted. Some NFT project, before getting listed on the open market, they give you whitelist. You can get whitelisted, and you can buy it at the pre-sale price. So it's also another great opportunity, get a 10x and all that stuff. And also see sales activities on the marketplace, like I told you about fake volume. So if you go to let's go to CryptoPunk. If you go to CryptoPunk, and if you see the section called activity, if you go to the collections friend page, and if you go to the activity page, you can see all these transactions happening, all these line boys, basically the floor price and all those prices the NFTs been sold for. So that is pretty cool. This shows that okay, this is not some random project, just some cash grabs. This is an NFT that's been alive for a while. People have been trading, so that shows you. That shows that proof, that this is a genuine project and a genuine team behind it. So that's how you investigate. So yeah, how to create NFT. Uh, yeah, before that, I think I forgot something called Rarity.tool. So it's built by the Bored Ape Club community. It's basically the tool used to investigate, like find project before they're getting listed. So if you see these kind of NFTs, they're yet to be listed. Some are listed or added already, and if you go to the page, you can see you can check out their social media activity, and get in before it's trending. So this is some tool you can use to find new projects. So yeah, let's get to the next topic, that is how to create NFTs. So there are two ways to create NFTs. That is, if you're a programmer, you can code your own smart contract and use the marketplace API and list it on the marketplace. That is, if you want to list it on OpenSea, and you're a coder, then you can generate like random unique NFTs using your own smart contracts, and use OpenSea API and list it on their marketplace. Or else, if you're someone who doesn't know any programming and you're an artist who knows how to draw stuff or have to make videos and all that stuff, 3D artist or anything, then you can actually go to these marketplaces and mint it, and which is something I'm going to show you right now. So if you go to this OpenSea market, you can see there's something called create option. So if you go to create, it's just basically like uploading a profile picture. You can upload image, video, audio, 3D, a lot of files, and you can give an external link. Like if you have any promotional website, you can give that. You can give a description. You can add a collection for that. You can also give properties for NFTs. Like I told you, each NFTs can each kind of uh, rarity. Like if you go to Axie Infinity marketplace, and let me show you the NFT, let me show you one of the NFT, and I give you that idea of what the property or rarity means. Like if you go to this NFT, you can see the health, the speed, the skill, the moral. This is an in-game NFT. You can also see the body parts, the abilities. These are all the traits for this NFT. Similarly, you can give that over here. And which blockchain, if it's on Ethereum, you can only mint once. Then you create it and you pay something called gas fees. So gas fees is something you have to pay if you buy an NFT or mint an NFT. It's basically the transaction fees you're paying because you're using OpenSea. And this NFT, so this image or art or whatever it is, this file you're converting and storing it as a smart contract uh, into blockchain, and it's done by the OpenSea, and you're storing it as OpenSea's smart contract on the blockchain, but you own it. You literally own it, but OpenSea is the one who is doing all the process. So that is how to create an NFT, how to buy an NFT, how to sell an NFT. I hope you guys like the video. If you did like the video, please click the thumbs button. And if there's any people any digital artists, any friends who wants to get into NFT, you might want to share this video to them and help me and support me as well. And also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do that, because there's going to be more videos coming in the future. Thank you for watching.